Just chilling in my tie. Yeah. Ready? Go feet. You gonna start juggling? Left foot. There you go. You're so big.
I love that his arms are on the couch.
Hey, this sport's easy. This sport's easy. And he's got his working shirt on and his party pants.
Oh my God.
You are trying to make your 10,000 steps all right now. Aren't you? You little ham.
Honey, let him. Oh, you can't touch it with your hands. No, no. With your feet.
With
your
your
piggies.
With your feet. What? Referee? What? It wasn't intentional. Go ahead, you get it. Oh, you have nothing to fall back against.
Oh, tantrum. There we go.
Daddy gets you. Daddy gets you.